Hello friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and today we're making this mini loaded pocket flip book using single-sided 6x6 paper. So this cutie measures 3 inches across by 4.5 inches tall, so definitely a fun little mini size. And the paper I used for this one is actually this berry paper pack that I purchased from Temu. And I really love that paper pad. So, I mean, just look at the design here with the strawberries and the flowers. So I just put happy little moments here on the front. And we'll open this up and we've got a pocket here. So this is just a little acetate piece that says date. And this is where the loaded pocket is. So we have actually 2 pockets here. So this is a double pocket. So 1 and then 2 pockets there. So I just have some small little pieces that you could use in a journal. And then there's also this pocket in the very back. This is the same paper from the paper pack, and I just turned it into a journaling card or whatever you want it to be. But the design is just so pretty. I turn it this way just so you can see the design from the front. And then these fun little pieces I can just layer up. So some go in the back pocket, and then this one I think I put in the front here. So it's just a fun little way to give some small goodies, or you could even stick a gift card in here, or just some crafty goodies for a friend. And then here we have a little flip page. So I just have an open heart over here, and it is a side pocket too. And here's the little journaling card that I have in there. And there's the back. And then over on this side, we have one more loaded pocket. So I just put this sticker that says, "Do what you love" over here. And in the front of this double pocket, I just have this little acetate piece. And then this scrap here, I just turned into another sort of journaling card. And I put some strawberries here in the corner. And here's my big pocket in the back. So I just turned this sheet into a little tag. But these are just some fun little pieces that you could use in a journal or a scrapbook or something like that. I love this mini size as well. So go ahead and grab some 6x6 paper and we can create one of these together. Today I will be using the Dessert Moment paper pack here, which is also from Temu. And to start off, you'll just need to grab 2 6x6 papers. So for these, we're going to be making our 2 loaded pocket pages. So you probably want paper that has a non-directional print because we are going to be folding the paper up to create our pocket. So something might be upside down. But these are the 2 that I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to start with one of them here. And at the 6-inch side, first we're going to score just right down the middle at 3. So let's go ahead and do that first. And then we're going to turn it to the other 6-inch side here, and we're going to score at 1.5. And that's going to be our little pocket. So 1.5. So it's going to end up looking like this. So I'm going to do the same thing to my other 6x6, and we'll do 3, turn it, and do 1.5. Okay, so I'm just going to fold these over now. And then it's hard to see, but the little 1.5-inch score here, we're just going to fold up like that. So then we're going to have a pocket here and then a pocket in the back. And we'll do the same thing to our other 6x6 and just make those folds. And so actually, I want this one to be my front cover. So it's going to be open here on the right. This one here I want as my back cover. So you actually want the back cover to be open on the opposite side. So you want it to be open on the left. So I'm actually going to bring my pocket back up this way. So that's going to be my back cover. So you can see it's open here, and my front cover is open here on the right. So they're kind of just like mirror images of each other. And we can just set these aside for now. And we just want to grab 2 sheets of 3 by 4.5. So I'm actually just going to take another 6x6 paper here, and I'm going to just cut it down to 4.5 inches tall. And then you can just divide this right in half. So I'm going to cut it down to 3. So this one's 3 inches across by 4.5, and same with this one. So for these papers, we pretty much just want to score on the 3-inch side at 1/2 inch, but one sheet is going to have the 1/2 inch here on the right, and this sheet's going to have the 1/2 inch here on the left. These are also going to kind of be mirror images of each other. So for this one here, just line it up at the 3-inch side, and I'm just going to score at 1/2 inch here on the right side of this paper. And this one, again, I want my 1/2 inch to be over here on the left. So I'm just going to flip it this way and score it at 1/2 inch here. So this is what it's going to end up looking like. And we can go ahead and just fold these scores over. And I'm just going to fold them back and forth. But this is what we end up with here. And these are just going to be the pages in the middle. So now we can go ahead and assemble everything. I think I'm all set with the scoreboard. Okay, so this is what we have. We have our front cover, back cover, and our page in the middle. So I'm going to just take this page here with the 1/2 inch tab on the left, and this is pretty much going to be glued inside of our pocket here first. So that's going to create our little flip page in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll just pop some glue here on the pattern side. And then I'll attach it to this side here. Just like that. And then just fold it over as well. Make sure that everything is a nice fit. Okay, so this page is all set. Now all we have to do is pretty much just glue down this part here to seal up this pocket, and then glue down this part here and here to seal up that pocket. But first I want to just cut off some of that overhang. Okay. And then for me, it's just easier to open up this whole entire pink piece like that. And then I'll just pop some glue all along the edge here. And then I'll just close this up. And then we can just pop glue here and here, and we can bring that pocket back up. You could also notch your pockets if you wanted to do that. But this part is all set, and we're pretty much going to do the same exact thing to this side. So I'm going to pop some glue here on the 1/2 inch tab on the right, and then I'll just attach it inside of this pocket. All right, and then I'll just open this up, this green paper, and pop some glue all along the edge here. And close this up. And then let me just cut off this overhang. And again, just pop some glue on these sides. And we can bring that back up. All right, so we have these two pieces that are pretty much like mirror images of each other. And then we're just going to attach these two pages back to back like that to create our little side pocket here in the middle. So I'm just going to glue down 3 sides over here. Just like that, and then I'll place them back to back. And I do have a little bit of overhang over here, so I'm going to chop that off as well. All right, so that's our little booklet all set. So we've got pockets, a side pocket, and some more pockets. And I guess I will do just a small little notch here on my side pocket. But now we can go ahead and decorate and fill this up. So I've already gone ahead and created just some little inserts for my booklet here. So this tag says, "Live life to the fullest." This card says, "You and me." You could put a super mini photo on this. And this one just has a little strawberry on it. So I actually want to put this card right into this taller top loading pocket. And in case you're wondering, that and this are both the same size. So they are 2.5 inches across by 4.5 inches tall. In case you're looking for a good size for these bigger pockets. So this one I'm just going to stick back here. And then this one here is 2 3/4 of an inch wide by 3 3/4 of an inch tall. So this is my little insert actually for this middle pocket page. So I'm going to stick that right in there. And then I'm actually going to decorate my cover first. So I've created just this little label here with my scraps. It says, "Great things take time." It kind of just reminded me of like growing strawberries because they take time. And when they're finally ripe and ready to be picked, they're just great little things to eat. So this is going on my front here. And I'll probably add a little chipboard piece as well. And I'll stick that just right here. And then I feel like I might want to just put some trim at the bottom and the top there. Okay. I love that. That's super cute. And let's work on the inside. I just have a little scrap sheet here that you could write on. And then I'm going to add some of these leaf stickers as well. So remember, this was our double pocket. So this one's just going to go in the very back. And I'm going to stick these in the front. And kind of just have them poking out like that. And then I'm just gonna put these little flowers right in the center of the pocket. Because I think that's cute and springy. And then I like this quote. "It's always the small pieces that make the big picture." And I'm gonna stick that just over my strawberries here. But of course I will have to cut this in half so it fits. So it'll look something like that. There's our little strawberry there. And over here, I'm going to take this little sticky and just place it on this side for a little extra writing space there. And then just a few more fun little pieces like a journaling card and some stickers will go in this back pocket. These I'll place in the front here. So it's going to look something like that. So I think that's going to complete this mini flip book. Let's take one last look at it. It is so cute and dainty. And we've got pockets galore, which you can fill those up even more than I did. But this is a really fun mini flip book to use up some of your single-sided 6x6 paper. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this project today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from all of you, so thank you so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!